Hi, I am Bhavan Shankar. In previous session, I given a detailed theoretical explanation about the leading ledger, non-leading ledger and the extension ledger. In this session, I will show how to configure the leading ledger along with the currency settings in SAP S4 HANA Finance. If you have not seen the previous session, please go through the playlist and watch that video. That is session 10, which will give you a perfect idea about the leading ledger, non-leading ledger and extension ledger. Now we will do the configuration part. Tools, customizing, IMG, SPRO, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting global settings, ledgers, and again ledgers. This one, define settings for ledgers and currency types. Double click this radio button. It will take you this screen. Continue. By default, system will give you the leading ledger, OL, 0L. So this is the checkbox which indicates the leading ledger, and again select company code settings for ledger. Continue. Take position. Give a company code TZ10. This is your company code. See the details. Continue. So this one, fiscal year variant V3, posting period variant TMP1. So these two came from where these two came. Earlier we defined in global setting. We assigned in global settings. From there these two came. Either you can use straight away these two if you assign there. If you not assigned earlier in global settings, you can assign from here. Here I will show you. For example, if you not assign there, what is the transaction for assignment? OB37. OB37. Take position. Give a company code TZ10. This one. So I am removing here and see. If you go again, take OL. Take position. Give a company code TZ10 and see this one. See the details. See, now this is blank. So now you can assign from here. For example, what you want V3. You can assign from here that V3 fiscal year. Like this way, you can assign even posting period variant also. Just save it. This one, TG global settings. Data was saved. Like this way, you can assign a fiscal year variant and posting period variant either at a leading ledger level if you not assigned earlier. Now, accounting principle. What is this accounting principle? So, you can assign accounting principle from here directly if you not defined earlier from parallel accounting. For example, I will let me show you. Either from here you can assign directly the accounting principle. For example, IFRS. I am assigned IFRS as my accounting principle. Otherwise, you can, if you want to create new accounting principle, go SPRO, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting global settings, ledgers, parallel accounting. This one. From here you can create your own accounting principle. The IFRS is system delivered, and if you want to create new one, go for new entry, and you can create from here. Right now I taken IFRS from system delivered, which is standard one. And again, assigning one accounting principle here is not enough. This is only assignment, and what control parameters are there, how to use that one, that is different, and I will discuss the same things in respective business process. Here only just assignment, defining and assignment, that is accounting principle here. Now functional currency. What is functional currency? Functional currency is nothing but the currency which we are using majorly. That will be your functional currency. Functional currency may be by default your company code currency or your local currency will be your functional currency. What is functional currency? The functional currency specifies the currency of your primary economic environment. It is the same for all ledgers in a company code and is defined on leading ledger level. It means major reporting currency in which we are going to use at leading ledger level, that will be our functional currency. By default, the company code currency 10 is defined as a functional currency. If most of your business transaction are in a currency different from the local currency, you can enter a different currency as your functional currency. Once you have defined the functional currency in your configuration settings and there are postings across your system landscape, you can't change it. Changing the functional currency has the character of a migration project. It means, what is the functional currency? That is nothing but major reporting currency will be your functional currency. That's why by default local currency or company code currency will be our functional currency. And if you define the functional currency and you have some postings in your functional currency, and then you can't change the functional currency. If you want to change the functional currency, it will become a migration project. Here I am not maintaining any functional currency. Now parallel accounting. What is parallel accounting? Parallel accounting using GL accounts. What is this? When you have to check this box, what effect will be there? Now we will see. Parallel accounting using GL accounts. When you have to check that box, it means only one ledger, that is account approach. Customer using SAP ECC Classic GL and wants to upgrade their system to SAP S4 HANA. But customer still wants to use the same approach, then this is an indication only. In this case also, he will have only one ledger, that is leading ledger. So customer is having SAP ECC and now he is going to upgrade his system to SAP S4 HANA, but he don't want to use the different ledger concept. He want to use account approach only. In that case also, he will have one ledger, that is leading ledger. Need to check this box. This is an indication. Customer has different requirements, but he is using using GL accounts only. Parallel accounting using GL accounts only. This is just an indication only. So fiscal year variant, posting period variant will come from directly from company code settings. If you're not assigned there, you can assign from ledger level. Similarly, accounting principle. Either you can maintain at ledger level or you can predefine at parallel accounting level. If you're not assigned at parallel accounting, you can assign from ledger level. You can maintain at ledger level. Now, functional currency. What is functional currency? Functional currency is nothing but your major currency which you are using in the business. This is an optional entry. You can maintain or not maintain. It's up to business. You have to check with the business whether they want to maintain functional currency or not. This is only for reporting purpose. Next, parallel accounting using GL accounts. When you have to check this box, customer using SAP Classic GL and wants to upgrade their system to SAP S4 HANA without activating new GL, and customer still wants to use the same account approach to his different requirements. In this case, we need to check this box. But remember, still he will have only one ledger, that is leading ledger. This checkbox is an indication only. This is about this. Now we can save this. Save it. Data was saved. Now currency part. Now currency settings. So we have some predefined currencies in the system. 10 company code currency, 30 group currency, 40 hard currency, 50 indexed base currency, 60 global company currency. Currency types, these are system delivered. 10, 30, 40, 50, 60. These numbers are system delivered. Now we will see one by one. What is company code currency? The currency which we are using at the time of company code creations, that is your company code currency or local currency. And group currency I will discuss later. And 40, 50, 60. When inflation is too high at country level, we are going to use to define these currencies. Example, Nigeria. So when inflation is too high, we will use these currencies. Now group currency. What is group currency? Group currency. Initially, this we need to discuss with business what they want to take as group currency. For example, we have 3 company codes. Company code 1100, 1200, 1300. Company code 1100 has operations in USA, 1200 has operations in UK, 1300 has operations in Europe. Company code currency. What is company code currency? 10. 10 will be the company code currency. Company code currency, as per this rule, what will be the company code currency for this company code? USA USD 10 USD, UK 10 GBP, Europe 10 Euro. So company code currency will be 10 10 10. This is local currency USD, GBP, Euro. Now the question is, what is group currency? So the company is operating from USA. It has head office in USA. Now what is the group currency? Group currency is 30. The number is 30. Group currency. Okay. Then which currency you have to use? That is important. Which currency you have to use? As 30, the company is operating from, has head office in USA. Then hence you have to use USD as the group currency. This we need to discuss with business before installing the system. Use transaction code SCC4 to check the group currency in the system. Leading ledger currency. We have total 10 currencies. First currency, local currency, will be your first FI currency. This is nothing but your company code currency. Second FI currency, that is global currency. It will come from controlling area. In controlling area, we have the rule. What is that rule? What is the currency rule in controlling area? Relationship and controlling area currency. Relationship. If it is 1-to-1, company code currency. If it is 1-to-multi, group currency. What is 1-to-1? One controlling area having only one company code. That is 1-to-1. What is 1-to-multi? One controlling area having relation with multiple company codes. Company code 1, company code 2, company code 3. This is 1-to-multi. So 1-to-1 company code currency will be your controlling area currency. If it is 1-to-multi, group currency will be your controlling area currency. That will come as a second FI currency. Next, CO object currency. For any cost object, CO object. What is CO object? Any cost center or any internal order or any profit segment. If you want to use any currency for that, that is your CO object currency. What is the rule here? The relationship. If it is 1-to-1, freely definable currency. If it is 1-to-multi, CO currency will be your CO object currency. CO currency means this one. Apart from these two, it means apart from first FI currency and second FI currencies, we can define 8 freely definable currencies as per our need. From version 15.11, we can add our own currency types. Total 10 currencies, 2 plus 8, 2 are system delivered, and 8 we can define freely. Now the currency configuration. We have totally 10 currencies as we discussed earlier. First currency, your local currency, that is first FI currency. It will come from company code currency. So company code currency, INR, which we defined earlier at the time of company code creation. That is our first FI currency. Now second FI currency. Here it is blank. Why it is blank? Second FI currency or global currency will come from controlling area. Here still we not created controlling area, hence is blank. So we need to create controlling area now. For controlling, back to your enterprise structure, definition, controlling, maintain controlling area. Double click this radio button, maintain controlling area. New entries, controlling area is equal to company code. I am giving TZ10. By default, it will take all from our company code settings. Currency type 10, currency INR, chart of accounts T001, fiscal year variant V3. These two should be same as per your finance. In S4, these two should be same. And now here we have two options. Controlling area same as company code or cross company code cost accounting. I am taking first one. Controlling area same as company code. Save. That was saved. Assignment, controlling, assign company code to controlling area. Double click, take position, give controlling area, assignment of company code, TZ10. See, now back to your ledger settings, financial accounting global settings, ledgers, and again ledgers, define settings for ledgers and currency types. Double click it. Take OL, take position, give your company code, show details. Global currency, second FI currency 10 was added. What is the rule here? One-to-one company code currency will be your controlling area currency, and CO object currency one-to-one freely definable currency, that is 70. So here one-to-one company code currency, that's why company code currency 10 was added as our second FI currency, and CO object currency 70 was added. What is the rule here? CO object currency, if it is one-to-one freely definable currency, if it is one-to-multi CO currency, now we are following one-to-one, that's why freely definable currency, that is currency type 70 was added here. So first currency company code currency, second FI currency came from controlling area. Just I am taking a snapshot. See, this is after adding controlling area. Before adding controlling area, at the initial level, the second currency, global currency, is not added, it is blank, and CO object currency also blank. Now in this case, after adding controlling area, this too was added. One-to-one relation, based on that one-to-one relation, global currency 10 was added and CO object currency 70 was added. It means this is freely definable currency for the cost object. Now we'll change the controlling settings. Now enterprise structure, definition, controlling, maintain controlling area, take position, give a company controlling area, this one, show details. Now I am changing the settings. Now I am taking cross company code cost accounting. It means I don't have right now another company code. In future I will add another company code, but right now I am taking cross company cost accounting settings. Now the rule is one to multi, then currency should be group currency. My group currency 30 will be a group currency. What is group currency here? Here in system, my group currency will be C. Currency type 30 added as additional FI currency for company code TZ10. Okay. Data was saved. Now back to your ledger settings, financial accounting global settings, ledgers, and again ledgers, define settings for ledgers and currency types. Take this. Okay, 0L company code settings, take position, give the company codes, take this, go for details. currency 30 was added as my second FI currency, and cost object currency was removed. It means the rule is 1 to multi. If you observe here, before adding controlling area, we have only one currency, that is first FI currency as company code currency. After adding controlling area, the screen was changed. We got second FI currency. The rule is 1 to 1 relation, and we have also CO object currency. Then I changed the settings taken as cross controlling settings. Then it was changed. Currency type 30 was added and currency type 70 was removed. How to find group currency which is configured in the system? Here, if you observe, my client is 100. To check the group currency, use the transaction code SCC4. See, this is the client. My client is 100. Here USD is my group currency. In this way, you can find group currency in your system. The same you can use for currency type 30. The first two currencies we have here. Now we can define, apart from these two, apart from first FI currency and second FI currency, which came from different sources, we can assign or we can create 8 freely definable currencies. So how you will create currency type? For example, I want to create a freely definable currency for GBP. So go to currency types. These are some system delivered and some specifically created currencies are here. If you want to create your own currency, new entry, give something Y1. I am giving as a freely definable currency. Freely definable currency. Short description. Save. Create our own freely definable currencies. Currency add. Now the currency what we created Y1 is showing here. Just take this and save it. Like this way, we can create 8 freely definable currencies apart from the first FI currency and second FI currency. With this, we completed leading ledger configuration. Next session, I will show how to configure non-leading and extension ledgers. I am giving the link of the previous session video in the description box regarding the detailed theoretical explanation of leading ledger, non-leading ledger and extension ledger. Please watch that video also to get full conceptual knowledge about the ledger settings. If you find interest of this video, please do subscribe to my channel and also like and share to others. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.